Hey guys, I have a great tool for you today that is going to help you with your homestead. It's very, very well designed. I think you're really going to love it. So this is the Vego Retractable garden hose system. We had a garden wheel, and I'll show it to you. It was giving us so much trouble. It was stuck, the ants had packed it. It didn't work anymore. We needed to replace it. And then we found this, and we were offered to check this thing out, and we did, and we really do like it. And so I want to show you guys all the reasons why this thing really does simplify your life. We have livestock, we have gardens, we drag hundreds of feet of hose out every single day, and I'll be honest, I usually just leave it lying on the ground because I don't have the strength to roll it all up several times a day. My husband gets upset when he has to cut the grass, so this thing is a lifesaver and a marriage saver. So this is really cool. Not only does it swivel so that it'll follow you around wherever you're going, but you can pull it out and it will literally retract itself. It's a hose that picks up itself. You may have seen these before, but what really sets this one apart that I love is that it comes with these different detachable, easy release, easy connect systems. So you just turn it, pull it down, disconnect, and it also has a little pressure washer setting that you can put on it. So you can put all these different heads and connections on it. Super, super easy. So I think it's really, really great. I'm going to show you one of the things that really impressed me about this is how easy and quick it was to install and all the little features that it has. You can turn it on and turn it off from right here instead of going to the faucet. It has a quick connect on the faucet end as well. But I'm going to show you how easy this was to put together, to install, and I really do like it. This is one of those things that this is going to make your life so much easier that you're going to wonder why you didn't always have it. So let's see how easy this thing is to put together. So this is the mess that we have right now. We had one of these typical, rolling ones that you roll, but it got impacted by an ant pile and we had to kind of bust it out. But as you can see, it doesn't pull anymore. So time for something different. Easy peasy, just drop it in the mount. The connections are really easy. You have these easy connectors so that you don't have to screw these things on and off. You put this little connector on your faucet. You have this connector on your hose side. So all you do is push it in and twist, and it's connected. You have the option, you don't have to, it has a regular connector, but you can put the easy quick connector on there as well. It also has an on-off valve right on there, so you can just leave the faucet all the time running. But it comes with both the garden sprayer hose with all the typical different spraying direction connections that you normally get, but it also comes with this as well that works pretty much like a little pressure washer. And to make it easy, because we all know that when we put these things on, they get stuck forever, it has the quick connect. So you also have just the quick pop it in and turn, and it's good. Or pull it out. So we pop it in and turn and you're good, or you pull it down, pull it out. So that's really, really convenient. It's in, it's good, pull it down, pull it out. It's good, strong, pull it down, out. So there you go. We get offered all the time to try products, and honestly, I usually don't. I'm not gonna try to sell you something that I wouldn't use myself, and obviously we are using this ourselves. I do like Vego's products. They have really good quality products. So there is an affiliate link in the description. You go to that link, it'll take you straight to their website where you can check out the product that I showed you and other great products as well. And we also have a $10 off extra coupon code that I will also put on the video and in the description for our viewers as well. So I hope you get it. I hope it helps you. I hope it makes your life a little more simple, and so that your spouses aren't complaining that you leave the hose out all the time like mine does. It definitely just helps me out a lot. So I love it.